Hi everyone, welcome back to Analytics with Toby. Today we are diving into one of the most crucial aspects of any research or analysis process, which is data collection. Whether you are in business, healthcare, or even social sciences, understanding how to gather and measure information is key to maintaining or making informed decisions. So let's break down the various types of methods that you can use to collect your results. The first we're going to be dealing with is we need to understand what data collection is. What exactly is data collection? And data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on specific subjects, often for research, analysis, decision making, or monitoring. It's fundamental steps across many fields, such as science, business, social sciences, healthcare, and you can name it. The goal is to acquire accurate and relevant data through systematic and structured methods. Right. So now let's quickly move to exploring some common methods of data collection. We'll start with the more traditional ones, then we move on to some more modern techniques. Right. So the first we're going to be looking into is the survey. Surveys are classic methods. By asking people questions, you can, gather opinions, you can gather their preferences and other valuable data. Now, for example, in a company where you can use surveys to gather customer satisfaction, or you could also gather their feedback on new products. Surveys can be conducted online. You can also try to conduct surveys in person or over the phone. Right. So the next we have observation, and this involves quietly watching and noting what happens without interfering. For instance, a researcher might observe children's interaction on a playground to study social behavior. Now, the usefulness of this is that it's great for behavioral studies. Interviews are another powerful method. These one-on-one conversations allow you to dive deep into someone's thoughts or experience. For example, a company might interview various employees to understand their job satisfaction or gather insights for improving workplace culture. Experiments are all about testing in a controlled environment to see how something works. For instance, a scientist might conduct an experiment to test a new drug's effectiveness. And this method is essential in scientific research where you need precise control over all the variables. Focus groups involves bringing together a small group of people to discuss specific topics. For example, a movie studio might use a focus group to get feedback on a film trailer before it's released. This interaction within the group can reveal insights that you might not get from individual interviews. Sensor data collection. Sensor data collection uses devices to measure and record information. Think fitness trackers that monitor your heart rate or step count. For example, environmental scientists might use sensors to monitor air quality in different locations. Social media monitoring is about keeping track of what people are saying and doing online. For example, brands often monitor social media to understand public sentiment around their products or campaigns. This method is crucial for tracking trends or understanding public sentiments. Web scraping is a more technical method where computer programs automatically collect information from websites. For example, a real estate company might use web scraping to gather data on properties listed or properties listing across different cities. It is useful for gathering large amounts of data immediately. And lastly, we have the biometric data collection. That one uses physical traits like fingerprints or facial recognition. So each of these methods has its own strength and is suited for different types of research or analysis. So understanding when and how to use them is crucial for gathering the most accurate and relevant data. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can always see our videos and future videos. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn for more insights and tips on data analytics. Let's see you next time.